I'm gonna viciously touch you. That's right, get over here.
I think I just shit myself. Get over here, you little cunt. Just give me a minute, I'm almost up. I sound like Squidward, right? I'm taking a fat one. I'm doing this in my closet because I'm scared of doing it in my living room. Oh! Why is it so quiet in my closet?
Doing Baldi is. Doing Baldi ASMR. I don't know if you can hear that way. Ow, 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 hi there. Oh, how do I whisper? Wait, hold on. Ow, 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 hi there. Hold on. I love the smell of your feet. Where am I? I'll never know. I'm kidding, I'm right here. I'm so quirky, right? I'm gonna kill myself. I couldn't find the original. So, huh? I can see my fat ass dog. Hi. Hi, girl. Hello, Kissy. Hi. She's licking my phone. So cute. I'm so cute, cutie. That's her name. Yes. Want to come into the closet with Papa? Want to come in here? No, you don't. Okay, fuck you. Why is Baldi strapped? Oh, crap. Oh, an apple. Yum. 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 I'm trying to sound more like Baldi. Yum. 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 Yeah.
I'm gonna do it to lips. Yes, Maxie. Yes, your glorious mouth teaching knows that bullshit ass. Oh, an apple. Yum. 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 Yeah. Daddy. Oh shit, there's something downstairs. Oh. Gulp.